This is part 2 of how I built MYTHMAKER Sivir's weapon. In the last video, we finished the inner ring. In this video, we're gonna finish everything else. For the hearts, I dremeled the edges to smooth them out. Then, I glued 2 pieces of each heart together for extra thickness. I dremeled the edges again to refine the shape. Next, I cut out the diamonds in between the hearts and dremeled the sides to make them angled. I also cut out the inside rectangle and dremeled those sides again for a sharp, clean edge. Once everything was cut and shaped, I glued the angled pieces onto the base diamond pieces. I dremeled the sides once again to make sure everything was even and neat. To shape the tip of the heart, I covered it in cling film and taped it up. I drew the details directly onto the tape before cutting the pattern out of 5mm foam. I checked the fit, making sure everything lined up just right. Looking back, I would have done a few things differently, but that's just part of the learning process. Once I was happy with the fit, I glued the piece onto the side. I used a heat gun to carefully heat the foam and bend it into the desired shape. Once it was in shape, I glued the flaps down to secure everything. After that, I arranged everything, making sure it all fits together perfectly. I used tons of glue to make sure everything stayed in place securely. To fill in any gaps, I used foam clay to smooth things out and make the surface even. I dremeled the foam clay down to get a smooth finish. Finally, I heel sealed everything to get it ready for painting. And that's everything. Thank you for watching!